Hi there, welcome back. Do you want to share your live location with someone? I will guide you through the process step by step so you can track your movements in real time. The first step is to choose an app to share through. Open apps like WhatsApp, Google Map or Messages. Each app has slightly different steps, but we'll focus on WhatsApp for simplicity. Open a chat in WhatsApp. Select the person or group you want to share your location with. Next, tap on the plus icon and select location. Next, you choose share live location and pick the duration you want it to be shared for. We have the options of 15 minutes, 1 hour or 8 hours. Grant location permission if prompted. Go to setting, then privacy, then you select location services and set WhatsApp to why using this app. To stop sharing, go back to the chat and tap stop sharing under the live location. Now you know how to share your live location. It's perfect for staying connected with friends and family. If this helped you, like this video and subscribe for more quick tips, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.